Here's our vain little boy looking at himself in the mirror. And the hiccups. Ooh, hi buddy. Hi buddy. You gonna make another poop? Mm-hmm.